Namaskar.
Suswagatam. Welcome to the first edition of New Era News.
The world is definitely on a standstill right now. But the earth hasn't stopped to rotate, the flowers haven't stopped blooming, neither has our learning stopped. In fact, right now I'm in Indore. I don't even have my uniform, but still I'm able to study.
While the COVID-19 warriors are risking their lives for humanity, the flag bearers are enlightening our lives with the flame of education. Our dearest Director Madam, Mrs. Priyadarshini Kelkar, too has encouraged us to keep learning, to keep playing, and not let our spirits dampen. Well, to know more about her views, let's hear a quick bite from her.
Hello, Namaskar. I am Priyadarshini Kelkar, Director of New Era Senior Secondary School. And you want to know why am I smiling, is it? No, I am not worried at all. When the government is doing such wonderful job, why should we be worried? We should do our own bit in making the country safe now. So we stopped having the school. But then we were not worried how the education will progress. It is not necessary that physically children are in the classroom. We are conducting virtual classrooms now. So what all did we do? The moment Narendra Modi ji declared a lockdown, we said, okay, let us work on how to educate our children and how to engage them during this period. Because bolte hai na, khali man shaitan ka ghar. We did not want the children to be totally not doing anything. So we started exploring what can we do. Immediately was the Flint app, which we have been using. And with Flint, the teachers started sending videos. They were making their own videos. They were taking videos from different locations and they were posting those videos. They were posting assignments. Children returning the assignments completed. Teachers were going through those assignments. That work was going on. But we were not satisfied. That is e-learning, right? But what is then e-classroom? So we explored various platforms and then we found Zoom app. Well, so many of people use that Zoom app, I know. And you may be saying that there are a lot of problems of data hacking and all. But our IT department worked overtime and they found out what measures can be taken to make Zoom a very safe app for the teachers as well as for the students and their parents. Because many of the parents were giving their mobiles and their laptops to the children. The situation was such that nobody had time to buy new devices. But then the parents also learned to overcome those difficulties. They could manage and I was very happy about that. And the classes started. Teachers remained engaged throughout the morning and the children also are engaged throughout the morning. And then it is not only teaching, but then it is demonstrating. There were primary teachers who asked the children to grow seeds and the children brought the seeds to the virtual classroom and showed the growing plants. So the experiments also started happening online. There were videos shown to the children. There were discussions on so many things. What is coronavirus? How has it come? What is the reason for that? And the teachers taught them how to go about remaining inside the house, not venturing out as per the direction of the government. Now, it is not only the main school, but in the preschool also, the teachers started connecting with their children. 1.5 hours, not more than that, because young children's attention span is not more than that. But they connected, they sang nursery rhymes, there were prayers, there were assemblies, and that is how the children, one parent told me in fact, that my daughter is getting the feeling of a classroom. And I was very, very happy that we could connect it. That's why I say New Era is a progressive school. It is not only teaching, but at the same time the assemblies, the values, everything was inculcated. So much so that PT teachers conducted the class. They did Sukshma Kriya with the children. They taught them how to do skipping, how to do jogging in the house. In fact, teachers also. they also have been exercising at home. One teacher told me she is practicing music with her own daughters. Another teacher said that I am practicing with different mediums to paint. And other teachers said that they were practicing finding out material from the internet there. And that's how New Era is working. Today, there is going to be a whole news program done by the children. Imagine the video shooting by the children, the broadcasting by the children, and that's what you are going to see. So I should now hang off, correct? I'm signing off here. Thank you.
During this lockdown, we have ironically become tired of not being tired. So, to lift our spirits and increase our efficiency, the students of the primary section, along with their teachers, thought to chase away their drowsiness using yoga, dance, meditation and prayer.
So we are going to join hands and we are going to say a big thank you to God for giving us such a wonderful day, family, parents and friends. I'm going to play the music. Start. Eyes closed.
At New Era, we have always believed that practical learning is much better than bookish knowledge. Even while studying online, we have found ways to study practically. Our science teacher, Nandita ma'am, has conducted an activity with a class. Let's take a look at it.
Morning everyone. See, I have taken 2 cups and then I have put some soil into it. And then I will take some moong seeds and then I'll put it in this, in both the containers, and then I'll water both of them, and we will wait for 2 days.
Ma'am, my plant has grown 15 centimeters
Okay, and where did you grow?
at my balcony.
Okay, so what did you find? What did you find from this experiment, from this activity? What did you find? Is plant a living thing or not?
Living thing.
Okay, fine.
The teachers kept working hard to find out details about new softwares like Zoom and Mindspark so that we could get quality education. Well, our teachers are really committed and determined. But what about the children? Now let's have a look at what the children were doing.
लॉकडाउन के पहले मैं कसरत को वक्त नहीं दे पाता था, लेकिन अब मैं मेरे दिन के शुरुआत योगाभ्यास से करता हूँ। अब मैं विद्यालय में नहीं जा पाता, पर वर्चुअली विद्यालय में शिक्षा लेता वाले कर्मचारी नहीं आ पाते, तो मैं अपने माँ को सफाई में भी मदद करता हूँ। मुझे खाना बनाना बहुत पसंद है। अब
अगर आपके घर पे भी गार्डन हो तो अपने पौधों का ख्याल रखना भूलिएगा मत।
अब तो मैं माँ के साथ रसोई घर में खाना भी पकाती हूँ, और उतना ही नहीं, मैं उनके जितना ही स्वादिष्ट भोजन भी बना सकती हूँ।
लॉकडाउन की वजह से मुझे आज यह सौभाग्य मिला कि मैं मेरे पापा के साथ रह कुछ समय Is this lockdown a blessing in disguise? Although we're just sitting at home, maybe we could do something productive. Our teachers have never pressurized us to only study, and our Hindi teacher Mithilesh ma'am had such thoughts as well, and she wishes to speak to you all. Let's hear her.
क्या होता है लॉकडाउन? ये क्यों किया जाता है? मेरे मन में कुछ समय पहले बहुत से ऐसे विचार आ रहे थे। मेरे ही मन में क्यों, आपके दिमाग में भी ऐसे प्रश्न उठ रहे होंगे जिनका स्पष्टीकरण आप भी चाहते होंगे। सुप्रभात, मैं मिथिलेश आपके सामने इन शब्दों का स्पष्टीकरण करते हुए लॉकडाउन के समय हमारी दिनचर्या में क्या परिवर्तन दिखाई दे रहा है उसके संबंध में कुछ विचार प्रस्तुत कर रही हूँ। लॉकडाउन का अर्थ तालाबंदी है। लॉकडाउन एक आपातकालीन व्यवस्था है जो किसी भी महामारी के समय चालू की जाती है। जिस इलाके में तालाबंदी होती है उस क्षेत्र के लोगों को उनकी सहूलियत के लिए, उनकी सुरक्षा के लिए तालाबंदी करके उन्हें बाहर नहीं निकलने दिया जाता है। यह मौका हमारे देश में पहली बार हम सबके सामने आया है, इसलिए इसके बारे में जानना अत्यंत आवश्यक है। लॉकडाउन होने पर आपातकालीन सेवाओं को छोड़कर दूसरी सभी सेवाओं पर रोक लगा दी जाती है और भारत में सबसे पहले इस तालाबंदी की घोषणा महाराष्ट्र और राजस्थान में हुई थी, लेकिन धीरे धीरे वायरस के बढ़ने के कारण पूरे देश में लॉकडाउन की स्थिति हो गई। आज लॉकडाउन के समय हमारी दिनचर्या पूरी तरीके से परिवर्तित हो गई है घर में रहकर। जैसे कि हम नए कौशलों के माध्यम से अनेक प्रकार के ऐसे व्यवहारिक ज्ञान प्राप्त कर रहे हैं जो शायद किसी किताबी ज्ञान से हम हासिल नहीं कर सकते हैं। इन समय में ये वो समय है जब हम अपनी एक अलग से पहचान ढूंढ रहे हैं। ये वो समय है जब हमने नई शिक्षा को प्राप्त करने के लिए नई तकनीक का सहारा लिया, यानी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हम कर रहे हैं और उनके द्वारा ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के माध्यम से हम बच्चों को शिक्षा आदान प्रदान कर रहे हैं। ये वो समय है, महत्वपूर्ण समय है, जब हम अपने परिवार के साथ बैठकर विचारों का आदान प्रदान करते हैं, बागवानी करते हैं, योगा करते हैं। तो ऐसे महत्वपूर्ण समय में हम सबको एक साथ एकजुट होकर जो नियम बनाए गए हैं इस वायरस के विरुद्ध उनका पालन करना चाहिए, ना कि उनका उल्लंघन करना चाहिए। मेरी आपसे यही विनती है, संदेश है कि आप अपने परिवार के साथ स्वस्थ रहें, सुरक्षित रहें, खुश रहें, हंसते रहें और हंसाते रहें। धन्यवाद।
The quality of teaching along with student-teacher relation has not deteriorated at New Era despite online classes. Not only the students but the parents were also quite satisfied of the school. We interviewed some of them and now let's have a look at what they had to say.
Do you know, the first time the lockdown was put forth, I was really scared that I had missed 2 to 3 months of my school. But because of the technological advancements and the school's open-mindedness, the school started the online classes and they are simply great. We are able to do each and everything that we were doing in the real classes. Also, the school has started its association with the website called MindSpark, and they have brilliant exercises for the conceptual learning of the subjects. At the same time, it helps us analyze our mistakes and study patterns so that we can improve in the areas where we are lacking.
Yes, I'm impressed the way New Era School has taken the steps during the lockdown, because they have shown the patience, gave enough time to children to enjoy their vacation and accommodate during the time of crisis, that allowed children to learn certain basic life skills in the lockdown period. Power of collective work, interdependence to strengthen the interpersonal relationship.
This year marks my 7th at New Era, and I have always seen that New Era always finds a way so that we could continue our learning. They never allow our neurons to go on a vacation. Even in this time of crisis, they found platforms such as Zoom and MindSpark so that our learning wouldn't stop. We use those same devices which were considered a distraction a few days ago, but they are now a necessity. In fact, they even solved all the problems we were facing. They even shared with us the PDF files of our textbooks so that we could easily access them and read them. In fact, there was a problem that the environment would seem very homely and we would not be able to focus. But then, we were made to sit in our uniforms so that it feels as if we are sitting in our class. And that's what New Era does every time. It breaks all the barriers, just so that learning never stops. Learning never stops.
Hello everyone. COVID-19 has had a unique impact on the way we look at our lives. Business as usual has altogether got a new definition. This is quite evident from the online classes that New Era is currently conducting for its children. 1,500 students getting engaged with more than 100 teachers is extremely commendable. This, I think, would not have been possible without a concerted efforts from all the teachers and a very meticulous plan put in by the school administration staff. Many kudos to Kelkar Madam and her team. Every day I see from 8 to 1 of my children getting fully engrossed into these virtual classrooms, and interest is growing day by day. There is a saying which says, life is just 10% what is happening and 90% how we respond to it. And I would say these virtual classrooms or online studies quite aptly reflect to this saying. Thank you very much.
Our dearest principal, Mrs. Leena Nair, has always motivated us, along with the teachers, with her innovative ideas and an open mind. She has always been an important part of the New Era's journey. Let's see what she has to say.
Hello everyone. I'm sure you all have got a glimpse of how New Eraites are trying their best to stay calm, positive and optimistic with their sunniest outlook in these times of crisis, which you all know can be very, very challenging. They are not complaining that they have to stay at home, because they know that by staying at home they are saving lives. They are not complaining that they are out of routine or everything has changed. Instead, they have taken it up as a chance to find a new way to challenge themselves. They are not complaining that they have no freedom to do whatever they want. Instead, they are happy and thankful that they can do everything that they want staying at home. While I have no doubt that we will prevail, humans always do, but I only hope that we do so in a way that brings the best out of us, our compassion, our love, wisdom and innovation. Wishing all viewers lots of love, happiness and good health. Thank you.
Although we do not know when we will be free of this situation, we know that with a positive mind and hope, we shall overcome. Yes, we shall overcome.
வெற்றி பெறுவோம் ஒரு நாள் आम्ही हो यशस्वी कधीतरी.
To wrap up this edition of New Era News, we would like to express a heartfelt gratitude to all the New Era family members, including teachers, parents and students. We will meet you soon with even more exciting content. We bid adieu till the next edition.